Uba Ardent mila basayumod uba de unang yalam kaseng Voice of the People Party menta kaski kasantarik unok pra ningba kadurki kaba ulapha ulapen ken mau shapang ki Tylli ki Kabu ki ba ki Jaidbynriew Trai ri jong ka Jylla ki ladu no. Hakani ka jingkeren jong ulapen ken mau ba ki Jaidbynriew Trai ri jong ka Jylla ki ladu no ban long ka Jylla ka badan ha ka artikel lai spa nyo phuwei ha ka ba ya ka bor ba khambun la ai ha ka Jylla bakan la ban sensharhi dalade yalade ha ka ba ki an jong ka sarkar India kimla ban trekam ha ka ba ya de bat kanyam kumju ru bat ka rukom im. Ulapen ken mauru ya ka jingdo no ban persha ya ka jingpen hab ya ka block 1 bat block 2 sha mikir hills ha usnam khat khandai san phuwei bat ka jingdo no ban dawa penrung biang yaki sha ka Jylla ha usnam khat khandai henriu pho khandai kabalai ka de ka jingdo no ya ka Kabu ban penkala ya ka Meghalaya sha ka weina ki Jylla ki bahlor do hari India uba Ardent ula ongru ba mentang idon satang ka wei kalat bat kata ka long ban wanra ya ka jingsen shar ka bakhoj bat ka babha lingba ka san perthei ka bakhoj khnang ban pen imbyang ban pen yo byang bat ban pen kala ya ka Jylla.
Hello everybody. Today I would like to speak about the 3 missed opportunities as the indigenous tribal of Meghalaya. Firstly, we missed the opportunity of becoming the state under Article 371, where more powers are given to the state to administer and govern itself, where no act of parliament can apply in respect of social religious practices of that particular state. Ownership and transfer of land and its resources, administration of civil and criminal justice according to the customary laws of that particular indigenous tribe in that particular state. Secondly, we missed the opportunity to oppose the transfer of Block 1 and Block 2 into Mikir Hills in 1951 and to ask for its inclusion in Meghalaya in 1969. Thirdly, we missed the opportunity of transforming Meghalaya into one of the top states in India, despite huge potential in mineral, water and natural resources. And now we have only one last opportunity, and that is to bring about clean and good governance through clean politics. In order to revive, restore and transform Meghalaya and to make Meghalaya one of the top and richest states in India. You may ask me why I speak about these 3 missed opportunities. The reason is that I want to tell the whole world that as any other tribal community in India, we also have our own history, our culture, our traditions, our practices, our system of land holding, and measures to safeguard and protect our own community and our land. Perhaps the government of India is not aware of this history, which is why, till today, the government of India is adopting a stepmotherly treatment towards the state of Meghalaya. Thank you.